Hey, this is Rich Bowers from Bowers AKC Labs. Brownie is having her puppies right now. So, right now she's having her puppies. Right now she has 2 chocolate puppies. I don't know what they are yet. But it's amazing, right? Brownie's having her puppies. I'm telling you, let's see, it's end of August, September, October, maybe around November. So if you want a puppy that's ready to go around November, let me know. There's Brownie and Hunter. Hunter is the father. Amazing. She just started having puppies, and this is Bowers AKC Labs. Facebook, BowersAKCLabs.com. TikTok, Bowers AKC Labs. YouTube. My Facebook channel is BowersAKCLabs.com. If you want to get in touch with me, Bowers AKC Labs at yahoo.com, Bowers AKC Labs at gmail.com. Just call me 845-421-7567. Get involved and buy a puppy. Amazing. I got 4 more litters coming. They're all going to be November, December. So we're excited. Order your puppy today. Trust me, it's a lot less than our competitors. Nice. And I will be posting the feeding of the puppies, but of the other puppies, but this is exciting times. They were just born 10 minutes ago. Yep. Amazing. I could watch them all day. She's just looking off all there. Gookity gook, and they'll be dry in a couple minutes. Oh, she might be having another one. No, maybe not. All right, let me get to it. I got to dry these puppies off. Okay, that was AKC Labs signing off.